and gentlemen. So, I am going to teach you how to make an amazing jerk salmon that is moist and delicious and super easy and super quick. So, with our salmon fillet, we are going to start spreading the jerk sauce. So one of my little tricks that I do is I spray olive oil spray right onto the fish, and it helps spreads out the sauce, and then I spray it one last time before placing it into the air fryer. Once in the air fryer, I just place it on the fish setting, which is about 370 for 15 minutes. And voila, we have a perfectly cooked piece of jerk salmon. I always top it with some green onions, which is amazing. And I made a poke bowl salad on the side and a sparkling water with a lemon. So if you want to see more tutorials like this for quick, clean eats, be sure to comment below, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay fabulous.